Hi, I'm Rich Masters for Focus Washington. Today we're joined by a great guest, the Minister of the Kurdistan Regional Government, who is here in Washington, D.C. Minister, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. Let me ask you, we talk about Iraq. Americans generally think it's a war zone. Kurdistan is really breaking out and becoming a real leader in the region. Tell me where your vision for Kurdistan in Iraq is for the future.
Of course, Kurdistan region is part of Iraq, but we've been able to free ourselves from Saddam since 1991, thanks to the American support and protection. So with the liberation of Iraq in 2003, we were already having a functioning parliament and government, and we were on the ground trying to serve our own people through the administration. Therefore, we started with a clear vision for the future. Where do we want Kurdistan to be? And also with the commitment that we had in order to have a prosperous federal democratic region within Iraq that serves its own people and also be an important model for the rest of the country. So we have proven that within Iraq, Kurdistan region was the example and the success story that believes in the constitutional institutions, believes in the private sector, allows for foreign direct investment, and also pays attention to the services which are important for the people, improving the education system, the health system, providing infrastructure services. These are all areas and activities that the KRG has taken care of in order to deliver the promises that they have made.
I think when Americans see Iraq, again, they see a war zone, they see deserts, but Kurdistan is much more diverse and dynamic, and it's actually emerging as a tourist destination, is it not?
Kurdistan is different because the culture is different. The culture and also the mentality. We have the culture of tolerance. We have a diverse community. We have Kurds, Turkmen, Assyrian, Chaldean, Muslim, non-Muslims, all living together. That culture of tolerance and peaceful existence, and our belief in that diversity, that it's a source of strength and not weakness, have been behind this. And also the clear vision of the leadership in the region have made it possible that people have trust in the government and in the authorities in the region, and there has been great cooperation between the people and the law enforcement authorities to provide that kind of safe and secure environment, which has made it easier for people to have political stability and also personal safety. And the fact that we have got mountainous areas, historical sites, religious sites, archaeological sites, it has made it a tourist destination. Even in the past, it was a tourist destination for the people inside Iraq. But I believe the moment we provide all the necessary infrastructure, it could be an international tourist destination as well.
A real gem, diamond in the rough, I guess.
No, in fact, we already have some tourist groups from the United States, from Australia, from the UK, and we look forward to welcoming more of them to know more about our culture and about our cuisine, about history.
Great. Let me ask you about when people think about again about Kurdistan. It's not just, we realize there's a U.S. troop presence, but there also needs to be foreign investment there in order for the country to see. Can you explain that?
Yeah, U.S. troops are not based in Kurdistan. U.S. troops have been in the rest of the country. They have liaison officers because the area, our area, was safe and secure and was free from Saddam's control even prior to the liberation of Iraq. But foreign investment, yes, the largest number of investments in the region are from the Turkish companies, second largest from the Lebanese, and third largest from the Gulf, and then from European countries. We've got about 35 countries, oil companies from over a dozen countries active in Kurdistan region. We have had about a worth of $16 billion US engagement in investment in our region. That comes because of the openness of the KRG, because of the one-stop shop through the investment board that we have established, through the investor-friendly investment law that we have in the region, because we believe that private sector can work hand in hand with the public sector to be the engine of our economic growth. Government alone cannot do it. Therefore, we need the private sector locally, but also internationally for us to be with us at this stage.
Great. Thank you so much.